Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have studied about Cartesian product of two sets. Today, we'll discuss about relation. Relation, if we see the meaning of relation, it relates to person. If in our daily life, if we talk about relation, so it relates to person. Relation of brother sister, relation of father and son. Okay, like this we have many relations: uncle, auntie, brother, sister, mother, father. Now we have relations, so we need two persons for relation. If I ask what is your relation, so what will be your question? With whom? So your relation with me, uh, teacher and student. Your relation with your friends, classmates. So friendship is there. So here we have some relation between, in our maths, what will be relation between two numbers. Okay, so before that, Cartesian product should be clear of two sets. So once again we'll take one example. In one set, set A, we have Ajay Devgan, है ना, then Ranveer Kapoor, Varun Dhawan, है ना, this set of actors. And one set B, Kajol and Priyanka. Okay, so with the set of actors. Now if we find Cartesian product, then it will be Ajay and Kajol, Ajay and Priyanka, Ranveer and Kajol, Ranveer and Priyanka, Varun and Kajol, Varun and Priyanka, है ना? So this is our Cartesian product. ठीक है? Now if I define one relation from the set A to set B, if I take define relation that xy, set xy, है ना, set of all ordered pairs xy where x is husband of y, where x belongs to A and y belongs to B. If I define one set of all ordered pairs xy such that x is the husband of y, where x should be in A and y should be in B. ठीक है? So x should be in this set and y should be in this set. So if we have this set, then which pairs will satisfy this condition? Ajay Kajol. Ajay is husband of Kajol. Yes. So AK will come here. Ajay Priyanka, no. है ना, Ranveer Kajol, no. Ranveer Priyanka, no. Varun Kajol, Varun Priyanka. Only this pair satisfy this condition. So in this set we have only one element, Ajay and Kajol. ठीक है? So if you see, this element is belongs to this set also, and it is Cartesian product. ठीक है? So we define one set where x is husband of y, and so this set is its subset, है ना? So we can define our relation from set A to set B is what? A subset of Cartesian product of A and B. What is relation? Relation from set A to set B. We need two persons. So here we need two sets. The relation from set A to set B is what? A subset of Cartesian product of A and B. ठीक है? Simple meaning, relation is what? One subset of Cartesian product of A and B. Find Cartesian product, and then from that we can define different sets that will be a relation from set A to set B. ठीक है? Then domain, है ना? So here Ajay Kajol, this first element is in first set, second element is in second set. So this second element is called image of first element. Kajol is image of Ajay, है ना. Second element is called image of first set, and first set is called pre-image of second. Sorry, not second set, second element, है ना. Kajol is image of first element, and Ajay is pre-image of Kajol. So first element is called pre-image of second, and second element is called image of first. So we'll have some terms. Domain. Domain is what? Set of first elements in the ordered pair in the relation. Set of first elements of ordered pair in the given relation. What is relation given? In that all the first elements of all the ordered pairs will form a set, and that is called domain. So here domain is having only one element, Ajay, A. Then range of relation. ठीक है? So all the elements of set B which are image for some element of A will form a set that is called range. So in this range only we have one element K. ठीक है? Domain is set of first elements in the ordered pair in the relation, and range is set of second elements of the ordered pair in the relation. Then one more term we have codomain. So second set we have defined relation from A to B. So second set B is our codomain. Complete whole set B is domain, codomain of this relation. So if you see this range, this element K is in second set B, so always range will be subset of codomain. Always range is subset of codomain. ठीक है? चलिए, so once again, what is relation? The relation is a subset. Relation from set A to set B is what? A subset of Cartesian product of A and B. ठीक है? Then domain, all the first elements of the ordered pair in the relation form a set, and that is called domain of the relation. Range, set of second elements of the ordered pair from the relation is called range. Now all the elements which are image for the elements of first set form a set that is called range. And codomain, the second set is called codomain. ठीक है? Let's see some more examples, then it will be clear. Okay, let's one example. If we have set A having elements 1 to 14, set of first 14 natural numbers, and we define relation from A to A only. ठीक है? We define relation from A to A by this relation, set of all ordered pairs xy such that 3x minus y equal to 0, where xy belongs to set A. So what is domain, range and codomain of this relation? So here relation we can express in two forms, in one set builder form and one in the roster form. ठीक है? So your given relation is set of all pairs xy such that 3x minus y equal to 0. So those elements of this set A which satisfy this condition, है ना, that will be elements of this R. So we have to find which xy can satisfy this condition. So simple way, your coefficient of y is 1, है ना, numerical value 1 is 1 only. So we can put value of x. If we take x equal to 1, then if x is 1, what will be y? 3. If x is 2, y will be 3 to the 6. If x is 3, y will be 9. If x is 4, y 12. If x is 5, then y 15. Like this you can find, put the values of x from this set A, 1 to 14. ठीक है? But what we are seeing here, in case of x is 5, y is 15, and y should be in A, but 15 is not in set A. So after this, when we take x more than 5, 5 or more than 5, all the values, all the numbers what we get for y will not be in set A. So after 5 we cannot take any value, after 4 we cannot take any value. So these values can satisfy this condition. So this set we can write in roster form, like this. Write all the pairs when x is 1, y is 3. So first element x, second element y. So x1, y3. Okay? Then x2, y6. 2, 6. Then 3, 9. And 4, 12. So this is our relation in roster form. This is roster form, it is set built form. So algebraically we can write any relation in two forms, roster and set built. Roster and set built. Okay? Then one more way is there to express our relation using diagram. So in first set A, we have elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. All the elements. And set B same. Set B also same, A element only. We have different relation from A to A only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay? So what we have? 1 and 3 are from one pair. Image of 1 is 3. So we relate 1 with 3 by arrow. Image of 2 is 6. So we can make one arrow from 2 to 6. Image of 3 is 9. Then image of 4 is 12. Okay? So like this, using arrow diagram also we can represent our relation. So now we need domain. So domain of this relation R is what? Set of first elements of the ordered pair in the given relation. Set of first elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These elements form first elements from first elements, and this is our domain. Then range of relation is set of second elements of the ordered pair in the relation, that is 3, 6, 9 and 12. Okay? And what is codomain? Second set, complete second set will be your codomain. Okay? Domain is what? Elements which are pre-image. Set of all the elements which are pre-image. And range is set of all the elements which are image. And codomain, second set, complete second set is our codomain. Again here range is subset of codomain. Okay? So like this we can find domain, range, codomain, and we can represent our set in roster, set builder, and using arrow diagram also. Okay? Let's see some more examples. Take one more example. Set A is given having elements 1, 2, 3, 5. Set B is having elements 4, 6, 9. Now we define a relation from set A to set B. What is relation? Set of all ordered pairs x, y such that the difference between x and y is odd, where x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Difference between x and y should be odd number. Okay? So we have to write this set in roster form and we'll find its domain, range. Chaliye. So first we find roster form. So difference should be odd. Difference of x and y. So 1 minus which number will give you odd number? So you can subtract 1 minus 4 is 3 odd number. So 1, 4 can come here. We can use a basic thing. Difference of odd and even number is always odd. Difference of two odd numbers is always even. Difference of two even numbers always an even. So here your pair elements will be odd and even. So 1, 4 can take. Then 1, 6. Odd even we can take. 1 minus 6, 6 minus 1 will be 5. Then 1, 9, 1 minus 9. Now both are odd numbers, so difference will be even number. So it will not be an element of the set. Then 2, 4, both are even numbers, so difference will be even only. 2 6, 2 9, 2 9 we can take odd even. Then 3 4 we can take, 3 6 we can take, 3 9, both are odd numbers, so difference will be even. Then 5 4, yes you can take. Then 5 6, yes. 5 9, both are odd numbers, difference will be even. So these elements you can take 1 4, 1 6, 2 9, 3 4, 3 6, 5 4, 5 6. They will give difference always odd. Their difference is odd only. Okay? So this is our set relation in roster form. Now its domain, set of first elements of all the ordered pairs. So 1 1 2 3 3 5 5. These elements will form a set, that will be your domain. But you know that in our set one element should be only once only. So 1 we cannot take 2 times, only 1 we can take. Then 2 3 5. These elements form a set and that is your domain. Okay, which is equal to A set only. So complete set A is our domain in this case, but it is not always. Then range, set of second elements of ordered pairs. So 4 6 9, 4 6 9 again. So 4 6 9. Okay, so your second set is your range also, and codomain. Second set B is our codomain. Okay. So what is relation? Difference of x and y should be an odd number. So this is our roster form, then domain range. Check. If same question, if we define by one relation, that set of all ordered pairs x y such that x is divisible by y. X is divisible by y, where x belongs to A and y belongs to B. If we define this set, okay, this relation if we define, then what will be our R? X is divisible by y. First element is divisible by second element, and where first is in A and y is second set B. Okay. Now which elements will divide? Y. X is divisible by y. So 1 is divisible by which number? No, can divide 1. 2 divisible by 4 6 9? No. 3 is divisible by 4 6 9? No. 5? No. So this relation is empty relation. This is empty set. So there is no relation between x and y. If we define y is divisible by x, means your second element is divisible by first element. So which number can be divisible by x, first element? 4 is divisible by which number? By 1, by 2. So 4 1 we can write here. Sorry, 1 4. Second element y is divisible by first. 1 can divide 4, so 4 will come. Then 1 can divide 6 also, 1 6 will come. 1 can divide 9 also. So y is divisible by x. Y is divisible by x. So y 4 divisible by 1, x 6 divisible by 1, 9 divisible by 1. Then 2 can divide which number? 2 can divide 4 6. So 2 4, 2 6 will come here. Okay, second element is divisible by first element. Then 2 can divide 9? No. Then 3 can divide 4 6 9. So 3 can divide 6, 3 can divide 9. Then 5 can divide 4 or 6 or 9? No. So here first element 1 x, y is divisible by x, second element divisible by x, first element. So 1 divides 4, 1 divides 6, 1 divides 9, 2 divides 4, 2 divides 6, 3 divides 6, 3 divides 9. The first element divides second element. Second element divisible by first element. So this is our relation in roster form. Now its domain. First element means 1, 2 3 range second elements 4 6 9 and codomain second set B is codomain. ठीक है. So what to do beta? What is given relation here? So we have to see the elements which can satisfy this condition. All the elements will be our elements of this R. ठीक है. We satisfy this condition. We need all the x y will satisfy this condition. Will be in our relation. ठीक है.